How do I find the right Google Ads partner? I'm in a pretty niche market, catering, okay. And I have had decent success running my own campaigns over the last couple of years. That's very good. When we started the business, our cost per conversion has been an average on 80 to $150 per lead. A couple of weeks, I got it down to $60, and it's been mainly floating around $100, with spikes every now and then. We have gotten up to 10K or $10,000 in month in ad spend, but every time I talk to a Google rep and take their advice, our CPC goes up. Obviously, I have stopped taking their advice, but I feel like our account can do better. And it's so hard to find someone with a verifiable track record in my market. I know there is so much more our ads could be doing, but here I am. Any advice? Okay. So first of all, it's very good that Google Ads working well for you, and you feel like your account has been, when you reach out to the Google support and follow their advices, your CPC goes up. So, in my opinion, in situations like these, I do not recommend, first of all, auto recommendations which are being enabled by default in Google Ads account. I do not recommend them. And the second scenario where you suggest it could be like you can run ads on other platforms such as Facebook, Meta. This could be a possibilities. And over here, I think that we are not discussing about the most important thing, and that is data. The data is very important. What factors went to make it $60 and what factors went into make it to 150 or $100. So what revolves around the market plays a huge role over there. So we need to understand that data is important. So there may be some physical on-ground situation in the market, or there could be someone else taking your position. If you're looking on your impression share on who else is taking your share, if you're not advertising, this can tell you who are your competitors. Now, optimizing your landing page can help you. Creating a soul connection with your visitors by doing subscription to email newsletter or connecting them to your social media channel can help you, and so on. There could be so much data in your account which needs an optimization. We could target by area to area, and we can go into pinpoint into separate areas, create separate campaigns for separate areas, and can help you. But all this matters upon the data. So if you're looking for the right Google Ads partner, we are the one, we can help you. We are a Google partner company, and we are based in UAE, and we can help you. And yeah, we help clients with the Google Ads, Facebook ads, Meta ads. We also help clients with their website development, web development, and we are a full-fledged agency. And if you want to hire me and my team, you can follow the link in the description on the first comment of this video to get started with working with us. I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.